Hey there! In this video, I'll show you how to use the FB Marketplace scraper to collect marketplace data quickly and easily, while keeping your account safe. First, click the extension icon in the top right corner of your browser. If you're a new user, click How to Use Extension to watch a quick guide video. Then, hit the Open the Marketplace page button to access FB Marketplace. Next, click the Open button to bring up the workbench. This is where all the magic happens. Once you're ready, click Start on the right-hand side to begin scraping data. Now, let's fine-tune the settings. Scroll down to the Request Options section, where you can adjust the scraper settings to fit your needs and reduce the risk of getting flagged. And don't worry, if you ever need to take a break, just click Pause, then hit Resume whenever you're ready to continue. Once your scraping is complete, click the Export button in the top left corner to download your data as a CSV file. Open the file, and you'll see details like ID, title, price, listing date, description, and more. And that's it. You're now all set to scrape FB Marketplace like a pro. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. See you in the next video. Thumbs up bell.